Hello, my dear students. Today I'm going to explain you one question from trigonometrical ratios. The question is if tan A equals to m tan B and sin A equals to m sin B, then prove that cos square A equals to m square minus 1 by n square minus 1. Now the proof is here we will eliminate angle B from both the given relations. The first given relation is tan A equals to m tan B. So this implies this tan B will come left side and this tan A will come right side. So this is written as 1 by tan B equals to n by tan A. And you know that 1 by tan B equals to cot B because tan B into cot B is equals to 1. That's why cot B equals to 1 by tan B and that is equals to n by tan A. Now, second relation is given to us. Sin A equals to m sin B. This sin B comes left side, so it becomes 1 by sin B. And this sin A comes right side, so it becomes n by sin A. And again, you know, sin B into cosec B equals to 1. That's why 1 by sin B is equals to cosec B. And that is equals to A. And that is equals to m by sin A. So, here you will find to result cot B equals to n by tan A and cosec B equals to m by sin A. Now we know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. So theta is an angle. So in place of that, if you are writing another angle B, then also the same relation we get. So cosec square B minus cot square B equals to 1. And now putting the values of cosec B and cot B, here we get. So here cosec B we have m by sin A. So we are putting here. So we write m by sin A to the whole square minus and cot B we have got n by tan A. So we write here n by tan A to the whole square equals to 1. Now you know since tan A equals to sin A by cos A. So we will write here. So this bracket is removed and we get here m square by sin A square A minus n square by tan square A, that is equals to 1. This implies m square by sin square A minus n square divided sin square A by cos square A. Okay, that is equals to 1. So this implies m square by sin square A minus, and now this cos square A comes up and it becomes n square into cos square A by sin square A equals to 1. Now we find LCM. LCM is sin square A, and then we get in the numerator m square minus n square cos A equals to 1. Now by crisscross multiplication we get m square minus n square cos square A equals to sin square A. Now implies that you know that sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. Therefore sin square A equals to 1 minus cos square A. So in place of this sin square A, we are writing 1 minus cos square A. So we get m square minus n square cos square A equals to 1 minus cos square A. And now this 1 is coming left side, so it is m square minus 1 equals to, and this comes right side, so it becomes plus, so n square cos square A minus cos square A, because here cos square is already present, and then this implies m square minus 1 equals to, here cos square A we are taking common, and then in the bracket n square minus 1 is left, and therefore cos square A equals to m square minus 1 by n square minus 1. This only we have to prove. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.